Hey, what is going on YouTube family? It's your boy Gabe and welcome back to my channel. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and streetwear. So for today's video, I give you guys the 9th episode of the Streetwear Hunt series. This is the series where I hunt for local streetwear brands and feature them here on my channel. But before we proceed with the brand that I'm going to feature for today, I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank all of the local brands out there na nagpapadala sa akin ng kanilang mga products. Maraming salamat sa tiwala na binibigay niyo sa akin sa pag-review ng inyong local brand. And ang gagawin ko ngayon is I'm going to test out kung kaya kong i-maintain is maglalabas na ako ng dalawang video of the Streetwear Hunt series para ma-accommodate ko kayo faster. Maraming salamat guys! Now let's proceed to the featured brand for today. So the brand that I'm going to feature for today is called the Visionary brand. So shout out to Sir Kirkpatrick Mendoza, the Roof Deck Serigraphy, shout out to the Acacia family, and to the JRU boys. So this brand, fairly new lang sila. They started last year, November 4 of 2019. So si Sir Kirkpatrick Mendoza yung founder, and here is the product that they sent over to me. So before we proceed with the shirt, may gusto pa ako ipakita sa inyo. They sent over 2 stickers and ang lalaki ng sticker nila. I really dig this. Maraming salamat Sir Kirk. And this is the first sticker. Nakalagay dito, Visionary brand, work hard in silence, let your success be your noise. Believe in hustle rather than luck. So when I talked to Sir Kirk about what is the message of their brand, sinabi niya sa akin na ang message ng kanilang brand is motivation on how to hustle, how to work hard in silence, and how to make your work speak for you. So napakaganda na kanilang message and I really like the whole vibe of the brand. And yung second sticker naman is this one, arcade style. So nakalagay dito, Visionary brand, nakalagay no game over, there is no game over in real life, keep fighting. Napaka-motivational ng kanilang message when it comes to their brand. I really like yung mga local streetwear brands na merong magandang message sa kanilang product. Yes, we can create good graphics, we can buy good graphics, pero for me, this is just my own opinion, kayo na bahala kung paano nyo i-take. Mas tumatatak sa akin yung brands na may magandang message versus a brand na may magandang design. The Visionary brand, this is one of the good examples out there. Meron silang good vibes, meron silang positive message that comes with their products. So now let's move on to the shirt. So for those of you na palagi nanonood sa Streetwear Hunt series ko, you guys know that I always start off with the tela. What I can say about the fabric that they used is that it's not as thick, but it's thick enough na hindi tumatagos yung balat mo underneath. So when it comes to white shirts kasi, may mga shirts kasi na pag sinuot mo, tagos yung skin tone mo sa ilalim. And I don't like that. But for this one, yung ginamit ng Visionary brand, hindi naman siya tumatagos. And we can confirm that later pag nag-OOTD footage na ako. So far, what I can say and highlight about the fabric that they used is that very comfortable siya, malambot. And I feel like hindi siya yung makate sa katawan. So for the Visionary brand, pasado sa akin yung tela, I really like it. Now let's move on to the tag and the neck tape. So here you go guys, ito yung neck tape and yung tag nila. So let's focus on the neck tape first. So ang nakalagay nila dito is wear to spread. So I think that is one of their taglines. Right off the bat, when I opened the package, nung nakita ko to, ang pinakaunang nag-jump sa akin is that their neck tape, yung ginamit nilang neck tape is very similar to the other local brands here in Pasig. That is not necessarily a bad thing kasi alam ko na iisa lang yung supplier nila. And that being said, gusto ko i-shoutout si Mami Rose. Shout out to you. Alam ko nanonood ka nga right now. Alam ko palagi mo pinapanood pagka yung Pasig Boys yung nire-review ko. So I really appreciate na pinapanood mo yung videos ko and I really appreciate yung mga reactions mo pagka sinishare mo yung videos ko sa wall nyo. More power to you, more clients to come, and more success to your business. Okay, so balik tayo sa neck tape. I've seen this before but that doesn't mean it's a bad thing. I give this a pass. Very legible yung nakasulat, where to spread, and maganda yung spacing ng words nila, and it really gives that extra pogi point dun sa t-shirt. If I'm going to call out something dito sa shirt na to, Sir Kirk, I'm going to give you guys just a suggestion for future projects. I wish that you guys try to differentiate. Yun lang naman yung gusto kong ibigay na suggestion. Gawa kayo ng panibagong design when it comes to the neck tape. Alright, so let's move on to the tag. You have the tag here, which is the basic tag na nakalagay yung kanilang brand, which is Visionary brand, and nakalagay yung size ng shirt, which is 2XL yung for me. And nakalagay sa likod nila is yung washing instructions and nothing else. It works, it gets the job done, and I give this a pass. Okay, so that being said, let's move on to the front graphic. Here you go, guys. So nakalagay dito Visionary brand and nakalagay hustle in silence. So ang masasabi ko dito is very minimalist yung approach nila sa harap, and it doesn't mean it's bad kung plain and basic siya. It gives that classic feel to the design, and I really like their approach to it. So when it comes to the print, check natin kung ganong kakapal yung print. So far, it looks like it's very thick. It looks like wala namang breakage, wala namang nagbi-bleed. Props to you guys, maganda yung pagkakagawa dun sa print sa harap. Now, let's move on to the back graphic. Ito, dito ako na-excite because you know me guys, I really like large graphics sa likod, and the Visionary brand did not disappoint. There you go guys, as you can see right here. Ito yung design nila doon sa sticker kanina. And like what I said earlier, they did not disappoint. I really like the whole design, the whole feel. And makikita nyo nga ulit dito yung mga binanggit ko kanina. So work hard in silence, let your success be your noise. Visionary brand, believe in hustle rather than luck. So yung message nila for this shirt is that you create your own opportunities. You make sure that you work hard for your success. And yung graphic that they have right here is very cool. It's a head filled with money. So yun yung ini-envision nila na makukuha nila when they work hard. Here's their print. It's very thick, rubberized siya, no breakage. Okay yung pagkakaprint niya, no bleeding, everything is on point. So I really like this. I really like the graphic representation, yung messaging sa paligid ng graphics. Napaka well balanced sa kanilang design. So props to you guys. Good job. Alright, so when it comes to the fabric, panalo. I like the simple approach when it comes sa harapan ng t-shirt, and then very contrasting sa likod. I like that approach guys. Before we proceed to the OOTD footage, tingnan ko lang kung meron pa akong mga call out na pwede nyo pang pag-improvean. So let's go. There you go guys, nag-double check na ako, nag-triple check na ako, wala na akong makikitang pwedeng i-call out. Just a suggestion na the next line nyo, try to design a new neck tape, and para magkaroon lang kayo ng differentiation with the other Pasig brands. Other than that, the whole shirt is solid. I am excited to wear this. The last thing that I need to do is to wear this shirt and show you guys the OOTD footage. So we have reached the end of this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell icon below so you won't miss my next Streetwear Hunt series. This is your boy Gabe, signing out. Peace.